everyone, Bethany here, and welcome to my channel. I am going to open up some goodies that I just got in the mail from the Not Too Shabby Shop. It is the box of the month, and yes, it is absolutely stinking adorable. There are so many ideas that come to mind immediately as soon as I open this up that I'm like, I cannot wait to play. So, opening it up. Show off some of these fancy goodies. The first one that I have lots of ideas for is the stamp set, the Farm Life Scene Builder. And oh my goodness, like I need to work on my scene building, and this is the perfect set to do that with. Another stamp set is the Happiness is Homemade. So stinking cute. I love it. I love it. And then, of course, you have to have something a little bit more funny, which is the Farm Friends stamp set. And they're cute. You could do kids' cards, lots of fun things. So, my kids love them. They saw a sneak peek and they were like, ooh, this is so fun. All right, now we're going to do the Farm Life paper pad, and it is absolutely adorable. I love the pink barns, probably the best because they're just really cute. But you have this really pretty paper that kind of looks like wallpaper. You've got cow print. You've got wood grain. A scene for the scene building. Hello, anybody. The different colors of gingham. Just so much fun. I am loving this one. Then the other paper pad is called Farm Sweet Farm, and it is, oh my gosh. Okay, I love all things sunflowers, so this, it has the little horse with the sunflower, the hay bales, really adorable. I'm thinking maybe more bee themed with this glitter and gold stripe with brown. Yeah, so many ideas pouring out. My mom grew up on a farm, so like farming in my family is always a talked about thing, but never really a realized thing. But I kind of lived vicariously in my childhood through my grandpa, who was still farming when I was little, and he would grow his own stuff. I love this scene. I have some ideas, maybe a slimline card, or even if you're a scrapbooker, maybe doing a scrapbook layout with that. I don't know. The ideas are just bursting out of me. Next is the ephemera set. This has some really cute ones. Yeah, they're really, really adorable. There's the little egg, the windmill, and I think this little barn with the tractor, the chick, the lamb, so stinking cute. I absolutely love these little grass pieces too. They're going to be helpful with scene building, giving a little bit of dimension. You have the watering can, the milk can. Oh my goodness, just look at how cute this little horsey is. It's so cute. Oh, by the way, I was obsessed with horses when I was little, so this is definitely like a yes for me. The little piggy, and you can use even bits of the ephemera just to do some scene building as well. The second one of the ephemera ties in a little bit more with the other paper pad, but it's still really stinking adorable. And this one has more of the sunflowers, the cows with the sunflowers. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And still more piggies, and these piggies are just adorable. I am loving the wheelbarrow with flowers in it too. We've got the lambs with flowers. And there's a little farm scene too here. The hay bales, and just, oh my goodness. I'm loving the farm theme. I just have to say, this is really cute. And then, of course, you cannot forget the little goodies that come in your bag. Sometimes they're a little bit different, but I Love Jolly Ranchers. And the little sequence pack is so cute too. I'll have to think of something crafty for that. So this is the box of the month for June, and it's a little bit of summer, a little bit of fall, it's spring, it's farm life. It's just so much fun. So check down below. If I remember to, I will put down the link for the first set of cards I make with this adorable box. Cute. So I hope you enjoy the videos that I have coming up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you have some input in what I'm doing. I have lots of big plans for this summer, and I can't wait to show you all what I have planned. So I'm going to take a sentiment from this dance set and say you are utterly amazing for even watching this video right now. Check down below for all the links that I have for the Not Too Shabby Shop and all of the other supporters and affiliate links that I have that support me doing this for you. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye!